Subscribe it now and press the bell.
Friends, in this video we are going to study the next kind of clause, that is adjective clause. Now what is adjective clause? An adjective clause is a group of words which contains a subject and a predicate of its own and does the work of an adjective. This we have studied. I have already explained you what is adjective, what is adjective phrase, and now I am going to explain you what is adjective clause. The same work it does. It describes noun or pronoun. How the adjective describes noun or pronoun, the same way adjective phrase describes noun or pronoun, and adjective clause also describes noun or pronoun. Means what? Adjective phrase and adjective clause does the same work. It is doing the work of an adjective. And what is the work of adjective? The work of adjective is to describe or to tell something more about, or to tell some quality about noun or pronoun. Adjective clause starts with who, whose, whom, hence, that, where, when and why. These are some conjunctions which may help you to find out adjective clause. Let's go through the examples. Sometimes there is noun or pronoun that describes that clause. Already I have explained it. Let's go through the examples. He bought an umbrella which was red in color. As soon as you get the sentence, find out what is subordinate clause in it. First, you underline the subordinate clause and then you start to identify what kind of clause it is. For example, in this sentence, he bought an umbrella which was red in color. What is subordinate clause? Find out the conjunction. Here, what is conjunction? Which is conjunction? Which was red in color is subordinate clause. He bought an umbrella, it is having complete meaning, it is main clause. But which was red in color? What do you understand? You have to depend for this clause has to depend on this main clause, he bought an umbrella, for its meaning. When you say the complete sentence, then you are getting meaning. So which was red in color is a subordinate clause. Now what kind of clause it is? Is it noun clause? First you have to go whether it is noun clause. He bought what? An umbrella, but an umbrella is a noun, it is not a clause. So you cannot consider an umbrella as a clause. So it is not a noun clause because it is not giving the answer of complete clause for this verb. Bought what? Bought an umbrella, it is a word, it is not a clause, so it cannot be a noun clause. He bought an umbrella which was red in color. Which was red in color? Just think what this clause is describing about, or what this clause is telling us about. Just think of it. Which was red in color? What was red in color? An umbrella. Means what? This clause is telling us something more about this umbrella, and umbrella is what? Noun. So the word which describes noun is adjective. The same way, the clause which describes noun is also adjective clause. So you understood how it is adjective clause. Which was red in color is subordinate clause which is telling us about the umbrella, and umbrella is noun, and so it is adjective clause. She took the thieves the room where the safe was kept. She took the thieves in the room, it should. She took the thieves in the room, it should be. She took the thieves in the room where it was safe. We can say there is a little mistake in this sentence. She took the thieves in the room where it was safe. Okay, so where it was safe, you can say where it was safe. So where it was safe? In the room. Telling what was safe? Room was safe. So telling about this noun room, so it is what? Adjective clause. Granny, who had lived in a village, decided to keep a cow. Now Granny decided to keep a cow is main clause. giving us complete meaning. But who lived in a village doesn't give us complete sense. So who had lived in the village? Granny. So this is subordinate clause telling us about this granny, and granny is noun, means this clause is telling us something more about this noun, and the word or the phrase or the clause which tells us something more about noun is adjective clause. This clause is telling something more about this noun granny, so it is adjective clause. It had a grave look that frightened him. That frightened him. What frightened him? That look. Look is a noun telling he had a grave look. Look frightened him means look is noun and that frightened him is a adjective clause. I don't know the reason why he behaved rudely. Why he behaved rudely is a subordinate clause and reason is noun. Reason he doesn't know. He doesn't know reason why he behaved rudely. So why he behaved rudely is reason. It is telling about the reason. So it is adjective clause. So in this way, if that clause, that subordinate clause is telling something more about noun, then it is adjective clause. It is very simple to identify. No need to get confused. Just read the sentence and think about all adjective, noun and adverb, and accordingly you think about the clause. Easily you will understand whether what kind of clause it is.